Ready for a new look? Learn how to remove your profile picture on Threads effortlessly within a few taps. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove profile picture from Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by tapping on the Threads app icon to launch the app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap it. This will bring up your profile customization option. In the Edit Profile section, you will see your current profile picture. Tap directly on the image to open the picture option. After tapping the profile picture, a menu will appear with different options. Select Remove Current Picture to delete your profile image, and your profile picture will be removed. Don't forget to tap Done at the top of your screen to confirm the changes to your profile. So this is how to remove profile picture from Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.